Hello and welcome back to our series on infrastructure as code with Ansible and Azure. In today's video, we are going to dive into one of the core component of Ansible, that's playbook. So playbooks are where the actual magic happens. So let's get started. First, let's understand what a playbook is. In Ansible, a playbook is a YML file that contains a list of tasks to automate. These tasks can range from configuring a server, deploying applications, to manage cloud services, etc. Think of it as a recipe book of your infrastructure. So here is an example of simple playbook. In this playbook, we have a single play with single task. The name field gives a description of the playbook. The host field specifies the target machine. In this case, it is set to all, meaning it will run all the hosts defined in the inventory. Finally, the task section lists down all the actions Ansible will perform. Here, we are ensuring that Apache is installed. Now let's create our first playbook together. Open your favorite code editor and create a new YML file. Let's name it as simple-playbook.yml. Start defining the playbook structure, like add name, host and task field. And name just setup Apache web server, and host is localhost. In this playbook we are targeting localhost and installing Apache web server. Okay. So name a tasks like install Apache, define Ansible module apt module and name it as Apache 2 and state present. Open your terminal and navigate to the directory where your playbook is saved and run that playbook using Ansible -playbook space name of the playbook. In our case, simple-playbook.yml. You should run using sudo because it will install the Apache package and the localhost. So it is in progress. Ansible will connect to the localhost and execute the task and ensure that Apache is installed. Yeah, now you can see all the tasks successfully completed with changed 1 and failed to 0. So our Apache has been installed successfully. Congratulations! You have just created and executed your first Ansible playbook. In the next video, we will explore how to manage Azure resources using Ansible. Until then, happy learning and happy automating.